What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sieben and this is the channel where we talk about everything Amazon FBA, specifically getting into the Amazon wholesale niche. Today's video, we are talking about the fourth quarter, what that means on Amazon, what you should be doing if you are a prospective or a current Amazon seller, and just what being in the fourth quarter of the year means when you are selling on e-commerce. Let's get into it. All right guys, so if you are a prospective or current Amazon seller, make sure you smash that like button. Even if you don't sell on Amazon and you just love my content, feel free to give me some love. That helps me out immensely and it is much appreciated. All right, so in today's video, we are talking the fourth quarter. So Q4 historically for commerce sellers is the busiest time of the year. All of the biggest shopping holidays, such as now Prime Day, is October 13th and 14th this year. We have Black Friday, we have Cyber Monday, and then we have all of the days leading up to Christmas where people are just buying Christmas gifts. And then obviously we have Boxing Week is technically in the fourth quarter as well. So there are a ton of shopping opportunities for your customers. You need to make sure to position yourself in the best possible way so that they are buying your products when they're out there looking for, gifts for loved ones, good deals for themselves, etc., etc. So backing up a little bit and talking about the fourth quarter, talking about e-commerce in general, well, in 2020, Amazon actually surpassed the 50% mark for all of online sales, meaning that over 50% of every single sale that happens online is on the Amazon platform. So no matter which country you are in, Amazon definitely has a dominance in the marketplace, and likely things are being searched on Amazon before other sites. So chances are people are at least searching for products on Amazon before any other site. They'll look up products, the price, the reviews, all of those kinds of things on Amazon, and either buy them elsewhere or just purchase them right on Amazon. If it's a good deal, there's good reviews, etc., etc. So customers are switching their mindset, especially with 2020 being the way it was. A lot of us stuck at home, a lot of us being forced to purchase more products online than ever before. Amazon has become an absolute powerhouse in the marketplace. And if you are an Amazon seller or thinking about being an Amazon seller, now is the perfect time. It's going to be busier than ever. For all of these reasons, Amazon is going to be the place to be a merchant, to be a seller, and you're going to see more sales this year than we ever have in the past. So what can you do as an Amazon seller to prepare yourself for the fourth quarter? Well, the first and best, easiest way to prep for Q4 is just send in inventory. You need to make sure that you're ready for the craziness that is about to be the fourth quarter. Depending on your niche, toys or electronics are obviously the hottest ticket items when talking about the increase in sales for Amazon sellers. People see anywhere between 100 to 400% growth in the fourth quarter versus the rest of the quarters of the year if you're in these categories. But it's known to increase by even 50% in some of the other categories. If you're in health and household or grocery perhaps, you're definitely going to see an increase in sales just because people are already online, already shopping. There's all these holidays and they're in the buying mindset. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, be prepared for an increase in sales. Sending in inventory will ensure that you have enough inventory ready, available, and you won't stock out. That way you're able to sell all the way through the holiday seasons. All right, now you have a lot of inventory in stock. Sales are going to increase in the fourth quarter, but what else can you do to make sure that your product sticks out against the rest, or that you're able to, keep your volume up? Well, there's actually a bunch of different strategies that you can do. Obviously in the fourth quarter, everybody knows that the volume is there, the customers are there, and people are looking. People will be competing to get their listings ranked above another. Whether you're wholesale or private label, you can always look into doing PPC strategies. So if you are marketing and advertising your products, that means that you are likely going to be seen above all of the other products. If you are out there and you're sticking out and it's a good listing and a good product that people are already searching for, you now put yourself at the forefront of the search page. You're right in front of people's eyes. Your conversions are just going to go through the roof in the fourth quarter. So if you have the margins to play with and you have a whole bunch of stock that you can purchase and get through, highly recommended. Set up some manual or some automatic PPC campaigns and watch your sales shoot through the roof. Some other things you can do is you can participate in coupons. I'm a big proponent of coupons. If you have the margins, just even going on and doing a $3 or a 10% coupon to your item will give you that little coupon badge. It can help uprank you in the searches and you stick out to the customer. And then about 50% of the time, I believe is the statistic, people don't even click on the coupon button. So when you are applying a coupon, people have to actually go into the ad and then on the detail page, they have to click the coupon. So remember, if they just go add to cart or checkout right away, they don't even apply that coupon, that you don't even see the savings as the customer, meaning you don't have to give up the profit as a seller. Always throw coupons on your items that you're regularly stocking in, that you can replenish and that you have lots of stock on. Yes, obviously your profit margin goes down, but the revenue that you receive in return and the speed in which you're able to turn over your item is almost unparalleled with using the coupon strategy on Amazon. There are also some other ways that you can get your item promoted out there. You can do lightning deals, so you show up on homepage under lightning deals. You can do deals of the day. There's all kinds of marketing and advertising strategies that you can do within the Amazon platform. If you want to check them out for yourself as a seller, just click on the performance tab, check the drop down menu, and there's a ton of different ways that you can get your product out there in front of people and purchase this holiday season. All right, so now we've talked about stocking your inventory, how to advertise and get your products in front of people. Now let's talk more so about the back end of things. Q4 is the way that people make most of their money throughout the year when comparing to other quarters. It's also an amazing time for brands to go and put out IP complaints. People are ordering more products than ever. You can have missed delivery times if you are shipping FBM, so make sure to keep up your shipping metrics. There's a tendency for customers to be a little bit more needy during the fourth quarter. So if you're getting customer messages and things like that, pay attention to all of those aspects. And then obviously, if any performance notifications or anything like that come in via Amazon, make sure you are dealing with them. Make sure you are keeping your account healthy throughout the Q4 season. No matter which angle people are coming at you, you will ensure that you're able to continue selling and continuing to be on the platform and share in the profits and the wealth that we're all able to receive as Amazon sellers. Another little item that I wanted to just throw in there is make sure you're paying attention to returns. So Amazon actually sent out an email, and from October 30th to January 1st is the holiday season return window. So this means anything that's purchased in November or December is returnable all the way up until January 30th of 2021. So this means that if any items are kept as gifts and people receive them as presents, or even people buy things for themselves and they use them for a month or two, between January 1st and January 30th of this year, you're gonna see an influx of returns. It's just part of the game. It's going to happen, but please make sure that you plan and you expect a higher than normal return rate, especially this season. I think this fourth quarter is going to be absolutely unparalleled compared to anything we've ever seen. So make sure that come January, you plan and expect for a boatload of returns, and make sure you're taking these returns back if they're unsellable. Check them out, ensure that they're actually unsellable. You can send them back in a lot of cases when they are in perfectly good condition and they were just mislabeled, or you even have the opportunity, if it's just damaged packaging, a rip or a tear in the packaging and the product's fine, to actually sell the item as used as well, so as to not miss out on all of those profits. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been how to get ready for Q4 as an Amazon seller. I hope you guys learned a ton and got some value from me today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. As well, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell. That'll let you know every single time I make a new video. Please leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know how you are getting ready for Q4, how your Q4 process is going, as we are already partway into Q4. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today, and I hope that you're doing well, and take care.